Have you ever started your car and noticed a gear-shaped icon pop up on the dash? Well, that's the transmission warning light, and if it's staying on, it means your car is trying to tell you something important. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means, what can it trigger, and also 5 different fixes to get this light off your dash. So let's get started right away. First, the gear icon in your cars is a way of warning you of a possible problem with the transmission. And this includes everything from the fluid to sensors to electrical components and even mechanical parts. When it comes on, your car might feel different. Maybe it shifts harder, or maybe it's just driving normally. It's also possible. Now here are 5 different things you can do to eliminate this light from your dash. So number 1 is to restart your car. It sounds simple, but sometimes it works. Turn the car off, wait a minute or two, and restart it. If it was just a temporary sensor glitch, the light might clear on its own. Number 2, if the first one didn't work, is to check your transmission fluid. Low or dirty fluids is one of the most common causes for this light to appear on your dash. Pop the hood and check the dipstick if your car has one. The fluid should be reddish and clear, not brown, black, or other dark colors. If it smells that is burning, definitely it's not good and you'll need to flush this transmission fluid. If the fluid is low, simply top it off. Make sure you put the right fluid for your car. If you have a Honda or Acura, it takes special fluids made for these brands. Number 3, inspect the battery and electrical connection of your car. Modern transmission rely on sensors and modules, and those need clean, consistent power. If your battery is weak or cables are loose, the transmission may act up. Make sure your battery terminals are clean and tight. Number 4, use an OBD scanner. This is the best way to know exactly what's going on. Most auto parts store will scan your car for free, but you can also buy a Bluetooth one off Amazon. I'll put links in the description. This way, every time you have a light in your dash, you know exactly the reason with the right code, and maybe you can fix it yourself. Finally, number 5 is to reset the system manually. On some cars, you can reset the transmission control module by disconnecting the battery for around 15 to 30 minutes. Just make sure you know your radio codes and settings, because this will reset a lot more than just the transmission. When you reconnect the system, it will relearn your driving habits. And if the light stays off, it's likely just a minor issue. But if the light comes back after doing all these steps, or if your car still shifts funny, don't ignore it. Transmission repairs can get very expensive very fast, and catching the issues early can save you a ton of money. Also, a quick tip, some manufacturer includes more details and explanation in the owner's manual, so it's always worth checking this out first. And if you have lost it, while most car brands let you download it for free on internet, just Google the name and model of your car and you should get it. Thanks for watching. If one of these fixed your issue, please let me know. And if you have other tips and tricks, type them in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.